Wow, not bad for a daily driver. What's going on, guys? So we're on our way to go help our fellow friends Maritza and Nick with her IS300. It needs the kit put on, and basically it's a duraflex kit. So you know what to expect. The duraflex kit, you guys have seen our video. There's a lot of fabricating you have to do. You have to basically cut, grind, trim. You got to do a bunch of modifications to tweak it to where it fits good before you can get it painted and fitted and all that. So Irvin's gonna be there. We're gonna try and knock it out. I'm gonna get you guys some content and finish off this car. We didn't get it finished last time because the shop closed, and it was just hard to do with what was going on. So hopefully we finish it this time, but stay tuned, guys. We're gonna see when we get there. So let's go. Nice. I forgot what kind of bumper did you get?
The fake vertex.
Oh, the fake vertex. So this might have to go for now until you can get a custom bar.
Yeah.
So you guys fitted in this thing.
Yep.
Damn.
We put the seat down and then angled it.
Nice. That's freaking wild, then, guys. Damn. Man, you guys are splurging. This camera's worth more than my car. Like, what the heck's going on here?
It's like I can barely reach the clutch, like even with the seat all the way.
That's crazy.
It's like very angled. Well, I guess you drove it.
You're like about my height. No, you're a little shorter.
Rude.
I mean, it's not. I mean, it's just facts. So I can't lie about it. I like this.
I know, I love it.
But it came with this shit. I don't even know where this goes. Oh, behind you,
Oh shit, my bad. Let me see this.
It came with this crap. I don't even.
Oh, it's a splitter style crap.
Right? It goes on the very bottom or what?
Yeah, it's like some sort of. Like,
Yeah, it goes like this. It's gonna be like horns.
That's what I said.
No, it goes like this. But it's duraflex, so it doesn't look like it fits. So.
Put it up. No.
like that thingy.
Where your finger is goes under the headlight.
So
Well, yes, but
grab it
I'm
from
saying that stuff.
Actually, one second,
Yeah,
I got
that
this.
stuff.
Yeah, just push it.
It's just kind of.
I'm gonna tuck it.
Thanks.
Tuck it in. There you go. Almost there.
Wait, this part needs to go up.
There you go.
And this.
Is that? You gotta cut it more, Nick?
Yeah, maybe this. Oh, this light is what?
This side's kind of in enough, but if you need to cut it more, we can pull it back out.
This is
It's
like
not fitting.
needs to go a little here.
So either the car's been in an accident
And they lied.
and they lied.
I mean, oh no, that's how mine is too. It's like a basically.
Right here.
Yeah, it's
Is it
not.
like that
It's
on
not.
that side too?
Yeah, it's not a perfect fit. This one's actually worse. I didn't adjust it yet, but
Okay.
this actually. I'm gonna be honest. This isn't too bad of a fit for duraflex.
No,
It's
okay.
ass, but it's
go,
still
baby.
ass. There you go. There you go. This is better. It's not like
Okay.
it's not great.
Come check out my side.
That's the part where we actually
out my
adjusted
side.
on mine. That one's clean. That one's
Yeah.
better. This side still needs to be worked
Okay, I
on.
got this side. Hold on.
So yeah. Dang, this thing looks good.
I know, right?
Damn.
Hold that side in.
This car's gonna be nicer than mine. So yeah, see how this one
I
is?
need a marker.
Damn.
Need a marker. What we're gonna do is just cut some of this away right here.
What?
Yeah, we had to do quite a bit.
Yeah, we're gonna cut some of this away right here.
Uh-huh.
That way I can get it tucked and fit.
Is that what's? Yeah, that is blocking it.
Yeah, it's blocking it from coming in there.
And then this, maybe that will solve this problem because it's not going in far enough.
Yeah.
What I had to do on mine, the same exact thing. I had to freaking Dremel some shit. But that fitment's
Alright, so-
booty. That's not what you want.
I need a marker or something.
Unless you're drift car.
True.
But shit, like this thing's nice. What's crazy is
Yeah.
it's not as low as I thought it would be.
It's not that bad.
It's not bad.
I don't think it's low.
That's what I decided to mine. Should we be breathing this in? No, just kidding.
I kind of want
You can get up in there. What? You gotta hold this side.
You gotta get in that side and put that side together. Gotta get it under the headlight.
Oh wait, one sec. All right, I'll tuck this. All right, hold that bumper, and then I'll tuck.
I'm gonna try something.
What are you doing?
Ooh.
Go under Here goes the clip.
Crap.
Wait.
Duraflexing's broken.
Hold on.
Just kidding.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, this thing is weird. This shit's like flapping. Do you hear this on the road?
No. Well.
You don't hear it go. Ah.
Oh, this is great.
Very nice, very nice. I think it's flimsy.
Yeah.
You tighten it?
Oh, it broke.
It broke.
It's like a baby
Yeah,
cutoff
that's
wheel.
broke.
Oh, that usually happens with those. You cutting that too?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut both sides so that I can get under here.
Gotcha.
But how's that look? So I'm just gonna etch that corner out. Kind of push that in there. Maybe actually come a little. I'd say take a little more off just in case.
Because this is it's not bad. I honestly still think duraflex is worth it. Because like it's not that bad, you know. And nobody really looks under this detail.
I mean,
Then you hit.
True.
if you're not a DIY,
Yeah.
then
If you're DIY, it's good.
Yeah, if you're not DIY, it's probably horrible.
I was like considering going wide body with duraflex, but I was like, fuck that. Alright guys, bumper's looking good. Fog lights are trying to go in, but we don't really know what's gonna happen. Bumper's off
Take the grill in.
and getting worked on. Precious right here. Vertex rep side skirts. Get it? It's like a Christmas gift.
I know. It's like that awkward moment where you're like opening.
It takes like 2 hours to open it. All right, guys. So we figured it out. The fog lights are definitely not gonna fit. Right here. So cut it a little bit much, and it just doesn't look right. It looks like it has a butt tooth and it just doesn't line up. So perfectly good Vertex bumper. Not perfectly good, but it was new. But
Pretty
it's,
damn good.
you tried, man. It's kind of like, it gives it character. A little flair of Nick Fabrications.
You can have a little nice view.
You can see. It's like a peephole.
Wipe it off.
Stop.
Wipe it off with the towel and see how bad it looks. When I get a new one, I will trim like, I'd say like this much off, evenly.
Yeah.
It looks just better.
It's possible. I just don't. I feel like if they wanted it to put a fog light in there, they would have designed it for that. But they should have, is what I'm saying. But the fact that they didn't kind of sucks. But shit. Well, I'm taking off, guys. Maritza is happy with the progress.
Yes.
See you guys later. We tried. What's up, guys? We're here at Gearhead Garage with the squad. So we got the skirts here, the rear bumper. Let's see your, what'd you do over here? Oh crap!
He did that
All right,
himself.
that's good, man. Good job. Epoxied it.
Yep.
Getting crafty here. It was like a separate one though. I was like, what the heck? Like they didn't have much. Irvin's like gonna see.
Okay, guys, gonna have to move. We got one, my 1 o'clock.
Oh, cool. Aw, dude, I missed my Z4. What's going on here, guys? Oh, why did the battery die? Is it because the lights were on the whole time?
Yes.
What light? I don't think.
Oh, it was on. I was looking at it.
I felt like, I was like, are these on? Because I thought it was a reflection. But no, we're actually on.
All right, it's ready to get started.
So you don't have to wait.
Nope.
Okay.
This will start a diesel truck. Like a semi truck. If it has enough juice.
2,000 amp,
I
damn.
can't do it, bro.
Huh?
If it doesn't start and it's the starter, I'm gonna firebomb this car.
It's a battery.
There's no way it's a starter.
The lights were dimming. It's a battery.
Head gasket, god damn it. Just kidding.
Oh shit, yeah, it sounds like it's low on compression. You hear the way it cranks?
It actually sounds pretty healthy. The bumper looks decent. Oh yeah, that looks great.
God damn it.
Zoom in on that.
It's okay. It's character, all right? We're gonna put an intake tube right here. The filter going.
Actually, I called the guy. He
Front
said
mount.
fiberglass it, make it look like the other side. We kept
Yeah.
the old piece.
It's possible.
Yeah. No, he said, bring it. You got it.
Just get cardboard and then fiberglass over the cardboard, bro. So we're gonna try and fit the side skirts while he's doing the exhaust. The exhaust is 2 inches too high, or 1 or whatever, and the kit doesn't fit it. So that's what we're gonna do. I say just leave it like that.
Fucking stupid.
I go there
me to
for
Europe. Take me to fucking Europe.
Dude.
That's where I want to go.
Monaco.
Monaco next year, baby.
Oh,
We're
let's
doing
go!
it.
We're going to
doing it.
Monaco this year.
Next year.
You want to go next year?
It's too late.
It's
this
too
year.
late. Well, like next season or whatever.
Next season, yeah.
But that's gonna be spendy. Monaco ain't cheap, bro.
Yeah, Monaco's gonna be.
Probably can't even afford a ticket.
Getting serious with it,
Wait, is this the final bolt on? Is exhaust low enough? Life sucks without a lift, huh? It sucks without a lift at your house. Last time. It's a drift missile. So we're gonna try and cut the side skirts and fit the fog lights in there. And hopefully it fits within 3 hours.
We'll see. I don't know if we can. I don't know if we can.
Listen.
Oh no.
Oh shit. Take the door off with your head.
Oh my god.
You good? That shit looked like it hurt. So if you guys want to fit side skirts on here, BN style or vertex style, these have to come off, regardless. What happened?
What am I doing?
So we gotta take these flaps off, and there's this.
Oh.
I got you.
You're like, I got it.
I don't know what he's doing.
He's washing his hands so that he can film.
So basically these have to come off, and it's basically just that 3 screws right here.
Yeah. I got him. I love it because yeah. Here's the pocket.
Make a deposit.
This is the side skirt pocket.
You're gonna inspire all the other girls out there.
Yep. Get an IS300.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Here we go.
Nice. So, how's wrenching on cars?
Pretty easy, pretty great, pretty fun.
All right, guys. So with the duraflex side skirts, you're gonna have to take these covers off right here. You probably won't be able to use them because they're supposed to bolt on to whatever's under here, the replacing remaining clips. So the authentic ones don't. The authentic ones have a lip on the side skirts that sit along this whole thing. And I basically 3M taped mine and did the 2 bolts where the mud flaps are. So that's what to expect with Duraflex side skirts. We're out here, it's super loud, it's hard to vlog, so bear with me, guys. At least it's not too much.
Yeah.
I wonder how it looks with the BN kit, because the BN kit is kind of like too much. It looks good like that. It looks like a drift missile. Stop hating on my real carbon fiber, bro. Just because you have one doesn't mean mine's not real.
Actual carbon.
Doesn't mean mine's
This shit ain't hydro dipped.
This is a hater, dude.
You know how much this costs?
That was a
Free, dude.
$400 lift, dude. That was a $400.
Yeah, right there. Yep, perfect. God damn, look at that. There you go. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a little. There you go. Perfect. You gotta kind of tilt it. Oh.
No,
Is it in?
it should be. Looks like it.
That easy, huh? It's not bolted on, obviously, but.
I think it's not. We gotta put the.
It's too high, huh?
Yeah, it's just got fucking little flex in it. I wonder if we put that skid plate in.
Now try it.
This guy.
What's going on?
You got it.
Okay. She did it all herself.
Yes, I
I just watched.
did.
Smile now. Let's see if all the work paid off. You guys hold it, I'll film for you.
Right, go slow.
Alright guys, bumper's almost on. I think we should just leave it like this, but Maritza doesn't want it to. So
Yeah, dude, that's drift spec, bro.
anyways, we gotta find the nuts that goes into the bumper.
We lost our nuts.
Yeah, it dropped somewhere.
Tiny little nuts.
No, don't talk about my nuts like that, bro. Come on.
I mean,
Or we can run to Home Depot. Yeah, we can run to Home Depot real quick while you still have the shop. I say you can keep looking, and then we'll run to Home Depot, give you the nuts. Or
It's literally like 10 cents.
Irvin tried drifting, but it wasn't a drift.
No, I did a burnout, you
I'm
motherfucker.
just kidding.
Fuck you.
Is your LSD worn out, bro?
It's a Torsen.
Just kidding.
It doesn't have anything to wear.
So
You know
guys,
what, actually?
bro, fucking chilled. I knew you were gonna do that. That's why I said that.
Fucking bitch, dude. You can't just fucking do that.
I had
to
to
me.
challenge him. What are you gonna do? Half donut? Oh, you're gonna do half donut. Let's see. Okay, watch out for that plate, bro. All right. Shit, those coilovers.
Yeah, these coils
They're
suck,
so
dude.
ass, bro.
They're so bad. It depends on if you like rolled enchiladas.
That's some
or flat
enchilada shit, bro. But we're here to go get some bolts from Maritza. Guys, so we're done with the kit, test fitting it. It looks more like a drift car, not a beater, but it looks good. Everything's fitted pretty well.
For now, I can just pretend like I have a drift car. That's where the dynamic.
There you go. Honestly, you were
There we go.
sliding in auto.
Tandeming with somebody says,
You should, okay, when somebody asks, be like, I was straight tandeming
Okay, got it.
on fucking back roads.
5-car tandem.
How it looks, are you happy with it?
Yeah, I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So what do
Better
you,
than I expected.
what are your thoughts of Duraflex?
I mean, I haven't seen any of the real stuff, so I don't know, like, to compare.
That's true.
You know.
But so far-
it does seem pretty. Huh?
Does it make you want to
Oh.
install another one?
No. Like throughout this whole process, I was like, should I have gotten the more?
Yeah, I know. I was thinking the same thing, but it's not like we're like basically done with it, right?
This one's a lot better than the one we tried.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So remember when I was like, this bumper
I
looks
know,
good.
I felt like it wasn't that bad.
No, it
Yeah.
actually looks surprisingly good.
So minor modifications and it's a little cheaper, and the shipping time is what really got me because that shit came hella fast. Instead of like 2 months, it took like a week. So that's like if for some reason you're impatient like me, like Duraflex is decent.
That's
But
true.
I personally won't buy Duraflex again.
Nice.
But that is it. Mission accomplished, right? Oh yeah, you got fenders.
Yeah, that's the next.
Everyone's like, fuck the fenders. Yeah, the fenders are a pain in the ass.
I'm not going to be here because I am not doing
Yeah, good luck. Just kidding.
He can do it. I
You
don't want
can get my fenders. They need work, but I'm probably not gonna fucking use them. Yeah. So, you guys got anything to say? I'm gonna end it right here.
We went on a journey.
Maritza went on a journey. She touched her first ratchet. Man, that was solid. Peace out, guys. See you in the next one.